We are building the world's #1 accountants networking ecosystem. Our motto is to provide more apps for accountants and small businesses. Our goal is to develop many apps within a single app framework. Q Apps is built around QuickBooks Online and the FB Apps is built around FreshBooks. There are 3 apps exclusively designed for accountants and bookkeepers. Accountant, audits, licensure apps give you the tools you need to take your firm's knowledge capital and put it to work. Your processes and procedures are integrated with your tasks, making your firm efficient, scalable, profitable, and client work won't slip through the cracks. One-time projects, recurring tasks, client emergencies, etc. are all seamlessly integrated into one framework, so your organization and staff have a clear view of what needs to get done today. You will have a clear overview of all client work, what's done, what's in progress and what's about to be overdue. Time tracking feature allows you to spot scope creep while it's happening. Management reports help you to manage your practice with insights into metrics like staff performance, job costing, etc. Audits app. This app dramatically simplifies compliance. It helps accountants and companies conduct and pass audits, and drives improvements. Licensure app. Accountants and CPAs helps business to get licenses and the licensure app helps track the progress of the work done. Accountant app. A practice management application for accountants, CPAs, bookkeepers. You can track and control all your services in this app. Dashboard. Dashboard is the default page for the accountant. You are able to see segregated palettes count of each and every subtab such as jobs, my tasks, milestones, customers, expenses, ongoing tasks, issues, and notifications will display here. Jobs. Jobs are helpful to manage the project resources and time. You can directly enter the new jobs into the accountant app, or if you agree to a listing on the job app, that information automatically creates jobs and tasks in the accountant application. How to add new jobs. On the top right corner of the window, you will find the Add Jobs button. Click on it and it will redirect you to a new page where you need to fill in all the fields/information and save the job by clicking on the Save and Continue or Save and Close button. Milestones. Milestone holds a bunch of tasks, which helps to set goals and reporting easier. How to add milestones. Select any option from drop-down / then you can see the Add Milestone button. On the top right of the window you can see the Add Milestone button. After you click on the button it will redirect to another page. Fill all the fields/information and save the job by clicking on the Save and Continue button, or you can save by clicking on the Save and Close button. Contracts. This is where you can manage all customer contracts/agreements, assign alerts, dues dates, and members to the contract. To first make a contract, click on Add Contract, then fill out all the information such as name, category, effective date, etc. Then select the person you wish to manage the contract. Jobs tasks. My tasks, tasks that are assigned to me will be displayed here. All tasks, tasks that are assigned to complete organization will display here based on the selected drop-down categories. Please note that only an admin can see all tasks tab. In tasks you can manage comments, approvals, timer, timesheet, expenses and issues. How to add a new job task. On the top right corner of the console/window, you can see the Add Job Task button. If you click on the button it will redirect to another page. Fill all the fields/information and save the task by clicking on the Save and Continue or Save and Close. Comments. Share opinions or discussions related to the jobs and job tasks. Alerts. You can create alerts for jobs and job tasks during creation, which are sent daily before the due date for the given emails or notification for the assigned group or member. Timer. You can start the timer when you start working on that particular task. After the task is completed you need to stop manually and save the time along with the date. Note, the timer will stop whenever that particular session/login closes. Task approvals. This is where you will receive tasks that are needed to be approved. Approvals are automatically created if the approval checkbox is true during the job creation. Tasks are not visible to the assigned person until it is approved. You need to define approval roles for your organization. Expenses. You can track expenses by the customer, job, and tasks and can be charged to the customer through invoice. Time sheets. Records of how much time you have worked on tasks or issues and the amount that needs to be paid for the work done. This is a needed step before creating the invoice. How to create a new time sheets. First select the customer, then select the job, followed by the task. After selecting all the drop-downs, you can see the Add Timesheet button on the top right corner of the window. Add Timesheet button holds two drop-downs. Custom Timesheet. When you select this option, it will redirect to another page where you need to fill time and amount and click on the Submit button to save it. Select Timers. When you select this option, it will redirect to another page. There you need to select from date and to date, then click on the Get Timers button. You will get all the timers related to the task in between the from and to date. Select the timers, then click the Submit button to save it. Task issues. You can track the issues related to jobs and assign them to respective persons for resolution. You can track the time spent on resolving the issues, which can be added to the invoice. Invoices. You can access the invoice feature in the admin menu also. Create the invoices and send it to the accounting system to collect the payment from the customer. Every day we run a program to check the status of the invoice in your accounting system and update the status here. Profiles. Profiles section must be completed by the admin and super admins of the organization. Admins can manage their profile, organization profile, and all other users' profiles. Personal profile holds the information regarding profile heading, time zone, summary, work history, certifications, job category, hire type, skills, education, rating, experience, etc. Org profile holds the information regarding organization like profile heading, profile summary, work history, services, awards, client focus, hourly billable rates, attachments, etc. Org user profile holds a list of all accountants' information of an organization. Templates. You can define all repeatable jobs into a template for convenience. Template and template lines have almost identical fields as jobs and tasks. Reports. Reports are compilations of information which derived from the records of the business, and custom-made reports are intended for specific purposes, and these can be brief or detailed. Admin menu. These menu items can be changed based on the user's responsibility. For accountants, the admin menu consists of team, customers, retainer, timer, Shioma sheets, expenses, invoices, organization, settings, etc. Whereas for SMBs the menu consists of team, organization, settings, etc. Please watch the framework video for further details. Customers. Here you can manage your organization's customers, which the system gets from your accounting system. Customers must be assigned to groups, and staff can be assigned within the group. Only the assigned staff shall work on the jobs, tasks of the customer. Retainer. Collect the advanced amount from the customer. First you need to add the retainer amount for that customer, and later you can use the retainer amount to deduct for the timesheets, expenses for the job, just like the customer wallet.